All right, now we are going to move on to what's called setting the detailing options. And I'm going to show you how to actually first load in, and then we'll get into load a sheet format in, and then we'll get into changing these options. So I'm going to go to SolidWorks. I'm going to click on the new icon. I'm going to make sure it says drawings there. And I'm going to say OK, ignore this message. And now you're going to see all the formats, the standard formats. I'm going to use my one that I named with my last name. So I'll click on the Browse button. I will go to wherever I've located this file. In my case, it's on my desktop. I'll go to SolidWorks Downloads, and there it is right there. And I'll say Open. And then I will say OK. Now, once I have that done, I am going to go up to this little gear icon. So now I am into the options. Okay, let's go here. So here in the options, gear icon, and click on this. And there are two tabs here. One is system options, the other one is document options. That's what I want. And then I'm going to click on annotations. Now, once I am here, I'm going to go to the right hand side of this dialog box. I'm going to select font, and this may come up as units height of 3.5 millimeters, but we want to use points, and I think it's 12 is the number we want to put in here. And then I'm going to say OK. Down here, I'm going to have where it says trailing zeros, I'm going to have it remove the trailing zeros. And then I'm going to click OK. Now, what I'm going to do here is I am going to open our Tutor 1 file. So I will go to Open, and then I have to locate the Tutor 1 file on my computer. It's wherever you put it. Oops, mine's in desktop. SolidWorks Downloads, Final Files, Lessons. By the way, this lesson is in your resources folder on our learning management system. So I've got Tutor 1 down here. I'm just going to click on it and say Open. So I've got this open now, and I want to be in model view, so that's right where I am right now. Whoops. I'll right click on this and I'll say cancel. Okay, so once I have model view open here, I'm going to return back to my sheet that has the title block on it. So I'm just going to click on that little icon right there, and I can bring this back up. Now, let's see. You can also do that down here at the bottom of the properties menu. Now, I'm going to, under part assembly to insert, I'm going to click and on browse, and it should have actually given me the name of this thing right in here. Hold on a second. All right, we'll go off script a little bit here. So where it says part assembly to insert, I'm just going to click on browse, and I'll locate my Tutor 1 file, and then I'll just say open. Okay, now this is coming up in an isometric view, so I need to change to the front view. So here where it says orientation, I'm going to go down to my my multi-view / orthographic drawings, and I'm going to click on that, and that's going to bring me to the front view that I want. Let's see, options. So I'm going to go right now and find the options, and make sure, by the way, that you click preview on here. I forgot to tell you about that. Yours is going to come up looking like this. You can just click on preview, and that way you get a little bit of an idea what this thing is going to look like. Now, options. So options, you want to make sure you check auto start projected view. You also want to make sure that for display style you have hidden lines removed. And scale, we're going to click use custom scale, and I'm going to change the 1:2 to a 1:4. And when I bring my cursor back onto my title block, I'm going to have my drawing set correctly. Now, I'm going to click and place this front view, and I'll go off to the area above my front view, and that is going to be my top view. And if I come over to the right, that is going to be my right hand side view. I want to click my green check mark right now. And so that's a little bit about how we find our views and place them in, and we'll move on in the next video.